Here we are in Ghazels. We'll dive right into it. This poem's called A House for the Naked. It's late, and it's raining, my friends. Let's go home. Let's leave these ruins we've haunted like owls. Even though the blind ones beckon us, let's go home. All the reasons offered by the sensible, dull and sorrowful, can't darken our hearts now. Nor can all this phantom love play, this imaginary paradise, hold us back. Some see the grain, but not the harvest. Don't ask too many hows or whys. Let beasts graze. Come home to the real celebration and music. Shams has built a house for the naked and the pure. Let's read a couple more. This poem's called Didn't I Say? Didn't I say, don't go there. I am your friend. In this mirage of existence, I am the fountain of life. Even if your anger takes you 100,000 years away, in the end you will return, for I am your goal. Didn't I say, don't be content with earthly forms. I am the designer of the intimate chamber of your contentment. Didn't I say, I am the sea, and you are a single fish. Don't strand yourself on dry land. I am your clear sea. Didn't I say, don't get caught in the trap like a helpless bird. I am the power of flight, your feet and your wings. Didn't I say, they will waylay you and make you cold. I am the fire and your warm desire. Didn't I say, they will implant their qualities in you until you forget that the best qualities are here? Didn't I say, you do not know from what direction your affairs are put in order? I am the creator beyond directions. If light is in your heart, find your way home. If you are of God, know your benefactor. And lastly, let's read The War Inside. Rest your cheek for a moment on this drunken cheek. Let me forget the war and cruelty inside myself. I hold these silver coins in my hand. Give me your wine of golden light. You have opened the 7 doors of heaven. Now lay your hand generously on my tightened heart. All I have to offer is this illusion, myself. Give it a nickname, at least that is real. Only you can restore what you have broken. Help my broken head. I'm not asking for some sweet pistachio candy, but your everlasting love. 50 times I've said, heart, stop hunting and step into this net. Thank you for listening. This has been another episode of Ruminations. May we remember to surrender to divine love. Healing comes from within. Offer one's true self. Let go of our illusions and embrace the light together.